Ever have one of those days where your brain just clocks out early? The soft drone of the air conditioner was the perfect lullaby. Alex, slumped over his desk, was lost in a dream about summer vacation, the sun warming his face. He could almost smell the salty air of the beach. It was peaceful, it was perfect, and it was definitely not a history classroom. Suddenly, a shrill bell sliced through the quiet room. Alex's head snapped up, his heart hammering against his ribs. His eyes darted to the clock on the wall, 3 p.m. He was late. A jolt of panic shot through him as he imagined the school bus pulling away without him. With the frantic energy of a man on a mission, he began a loud, chaotic assault on his desk. Books, pens, and crumpled papers were shoved haphazardly into his backpack. He zipped it up with a noisy, final, *RR, rip*, ready to bolt for the door and make a run for freedom. Just as he was about to launch himself from his seat, a soft whisper came from the next desk. "Dude," his classmate hissed. That was the bell for the pop quiz to start. Alex froze, one hand on his backpack strap, a look of pure, unadulterated embarrassment washing over his face. Just goes to show, sometimes it pays to stay awake in class.